Hi everyone. Welcome back to Speak Fluent English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Emma. Today, we're going to learn how to give directions in English.
That's right. Knowing how to give directions is an essential skill, especially when you're in a new place.
By the end of this video, you'll feel confident giving and asking for directions in English. Let's get started.
First, let's talk about why giving directions is important. When you travel or even in your city, you might need to help someone find a place.
Exactly. It can help people feel more comfortable and confident in an unfamiliar area.
Plus, it's a great way to practice your English.
Before we start giving directions, let's learn some basic vocabulary that will be useful.
Good idea. Here are some key words. The direction to your left side. The direction to your right side. To go directly without turning. Close to a place. A distance away from a place. Where two roads meet. The distance between two intersections. A recognizable feature or place that helps in navigation.
Great. Let's practice using these words in sentences. For example, turn left at the intersection.
Exactly. And go straight for 2 blocks.
Now, let's learn some common phrases you can use when giving directions. Simple directional phrases. Go straight. Turn left/right. It's on your left/right. It's near the... You will see it on your left/right.
These phrases are straightforward and easy to remember. Let's try some examples.
If I want to say how to get to the library, I might say, go straight and it's on your left.
Perfect. And if someone asks about the park, I could say, turn right and the park is near the school. Now, let's break down how to give directions step by step.
Begin by identifying a starting point. For example, starting at the train station.
Exactly. This gives the person a clear reference point.
Landmarks are helpful. For example, go straight until you see the bank on your right.
Right. Landmarks make directions easier to understand.
Provide simple instructions like, turn left at the gas station.
Yes. Clarity is key when giving directions.
Finally, end with the destination. For example, the restaurant is next to the library.
So let's put it all together.
Let's practice giving directions with a scenario.
Sure. Imagine someone asks you how to get to the supermarket.
I could say, starting at the park, go straight until you reach the traffic lights. Then turn right. The supermarket is on your left, next to the bakery.
Excellent. Now let's try another example. How about giving directions to a school?
Okay. From the bus stop, go straight for 2 blocks, then turn left at the church. The school is on the right side, across from the grocery store.
Now that we've covered how to give directions, let's discuss how to ask for directions. Excuse me, can you help me? How do I get to? Where is? Is it far from here?
These phrases are polite and effective.
If I want to find the museum, I might ask, excuse me, how do I get to the museum?
And if I'm looking for a restaurant, I could say, where's the nearest restaurant?
Now let's do a role play. Emma, you can be a tourist asking for directions.
Sounds fun. Pretending to be lost. Excuse me, can you help me? I'm looking for the train station.
Of course. Starting from here, go straight until you see the first intersection. Then turn left. The train station is 2 blocks down on your right.
Great. Thank you.
You're welcome.
In today's world, we also have technology to help us with directions.
Yes. Apps like Google Maps can provide directions and they're very user-friendly.
You can enter your starting point and destination, and the app will guide you.
It's a great tool, especially when you're in a new city.
Now, let's talk about some common mistakes people make when giving directions.
One mistake is using too many complicated words. Keep it simple.
Yes, and be careful with directions like left and right. It's easy to confuse them.
Another mistake is not using landmarks. Landmarks make it easier for someone to find their way.
Remember, practice is essential. The more you practice giving and asking for directions, the more confident you'll become.
You can practice with friends or family, or even try it out in real life when you're out and about.
And don't forget to use the vocabulary and phrases we learned today.
Let's review what we learned today. We talked about basic vocabulary for directions, common phrases, and the steps to give clear directions.
We also practiced examples and did a fun role play to reinforce what we learned.
Plus, we discussed how to ask for directions and the importance of using landmarks.
Remember, clear communication is key to helping others find their way.
Thanks for joining us today on Speak Fluent English. We hope you feel more confident giving directions.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more English lessons.
See you next time.
Bye.